The price of Solana's native token SOL is not likely to move much higher this year, but still has a bright future when looking further ahead, a crypto industry panel surveyed by comparison website Finder.com has predicted. According to an average of the panelists' responses, SOL's price will reach $45 by the end of this year, a price level seen as recently as Wednesday this week. The neutral prediction stands in contrast to a far more bullish prediction for SOL's year-end price from January, when the panel said $222 is a likely year-end price. Among the more bearish panelists this time around was Kevin He, Chief Operating Officer of fintech firm Cloud Tech Group, who opined that Solana is not stable enough. It's not the first time we've seen Solana's network crash this year. More new projects and dApps will also be attracted by Ethereum's user base and abandon Solana after Ethereum completes its upgrade, he said. Meanwhile, commenting from a more bullish perspective, Alex Nagorsky, the fund's management executive at DigitalX, called the recently implemented upgrades on Solana promising. Solana implemented several promising protocol updates which appear to have reduced outages in the short term. It remains to be seen if the stability will persist. Solana has captured significant portions of the non-fungible token (NFT) market from Ethereum and remains a decent competitor in the Layer 1 race. Others, such as Panxera hedge fund's general partner Gavin Smith, pointed to Solana's potential as a beneficiary if Ethereum fails to deliver on some. They are likely to be one of the chief beneficiaries if the Ethereum upgrades fail to deliver lower transaction fees, he said. Looking further into the future, the panelists, on average, argued that SOL would reach $166 by the end of 2025 and $512 by year-end 2030. The latest survey from Finder.com's panel is significantly more bearish than an earlier survey from January this year, when the panel expected SOL to reach $486 by the end of 2025 and $267 by the end of 2030. The bearish downgrades for the predictions follow a familiar pattern with lower price predictions for many of the crypto assets Finder.com has observed. Earlier in July, the website released a survey that predicted Bitcoin, BTC, would end the year at $25.500, far lower than the $65.185 it had predicted as the year-end price as recently as April.